I'm Sunita from Lessons Lane. A warm welcome to today's fascinating lesson. I have astonishing news. So stay tuned with me by the end of this lesson. Okay? Alright. So without further ado, let's dive deep into the lesson. So what are we going to learn today? What's the difference between since and for? Many of my students are making mistakes while using since and for. So how to use it? Let me tell you. When I say for, now what does it mean? For means period of time, okay? And since means point in time. Now, I think you might be thinking how to use this period of time and how to use this point in time. I'll make your life very easy today. So I have a couple of sentences for you. With the help of those sentences, you're going to understand it. All right. So let's do mastery in it. There we go. All right. So here are the sentences. Okay. Period of time. When I say period of time, what does it mean? We are using this for a long period of time. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, you can say 2 years, 3 years, 4 months, 2 months, and you can say 2 days, 2 hours. Okay, so when I talk about a long period, okay, I'm talking about the length of the time. Okay, all right. When I say since, it means point in time. So point in time means specific time. Okay, that specific, that particular time I'm talking about. Okay, all right. So now, okay, it's been raining for dash hours, or you can say it's been pouring for dash hours. Now what does it mean? So instead of saying like this way, maybe you're talking with your friend on a phone call and she's saying, hey, let's catch up for some time. So, and then she's saying, no, I can't come out because it's been pouring for 2 hours. Okay. Yes, there we go. Okay. So what I'm talking about, because that's a long period of time. Okay. I'm talking about the length. Okay. So that's why I have to use here 2 hours, means with for we'll use 2 hours. Okay. I think I made a mistake. So it's not the dash here. Okay, and what I have to do, I'm sorry. Okay, so it's the dash we are talking about and 2 hours. Okay, so for 2 hours. Okay, all right. It's been pouring dash morning. Now, what are you going to fill here? Yes. Since morning. I can listen to that. Since morning. Why? Because here I'm talking about that specific time, specific point in time, specific time. Okay? Point in time. Since morning. Okay? I have lived in Gurugram dash 3 years. So it's a place and you have been staying here for a long time. Now you want to mention this thing maybe for 3 years, 4 years, whatever. Means you can mention accordingly. Alright. So I'll mention here for 3 years. Length of time. Length of the time. Okay? Okay, next one. I have known her. Yes, for or since? Since 5 years? Yes? No. Yes. The correct answer is for 5 years. Perfectly fine. You got it right. Okay. She has been studying for 10 years? Yes? No. She has been studying since 10 years. So you have done the mastery in it now. Okay, let me reiterate you one more time. When I say since means point in time, specific time. Okay, you can say since morning. Okay, you can say since 1920, since 1940, since 1982, whatever you want to mention there. Okay, when I say length of the time, okay, or period of time, length of time, whatever, so the long time, for a long time I'm talking about, then you have to use for. So don't make this mistake again. All right, I know you're waiting for that astonishing news. Okay, there we go. Now, just like today you did mastery in for and since. That's just a snippet, I would say, of grammar lessons. Okay, now if you struggle with your communication skills, or you want to know how to become an eloquent speaker, then don't forget to enroll yourself in this course, and the price is only $4.99. Okay, amazing, isn't it? Yes. So in this course I have compiled everything for you. So what's that everything? If you want to know, have to create some sentences for request and offers. Do you want to do mastery in 12 tenses? That's also for you. Not only this, do you want to know the details of this course? So what do you have to do? Just check the description section. Everything is there, and I have mentioned that link for you, so don't forget to buy that. All right, now what do you have to do? You know that if you have enjoyed today's lesson, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to this channel. If you had already subscribed to it, then share this video across the globe, so they'll come to know what's the difference between for and since. Okay, I'll meet you in the next lesson. Until next time, toodle pip.